Good morning, children. We come back to the fifth chapter, 10th class, fifth chapter, quadratic equations. Let us go for an example. Example number 16. Find the discriminant of 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0, and hence find the nature of its roots. Find them if they are real. If they are real, first we have to find the discriminant value. If it is greater than or equal to 0, then we will get the real roots. So given 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. You can simplify and make it in the simplest form, other general form, or you can do as it is. So here a is equal to 3, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 1 by 3. First we have to find the discriminant value. Discriminant value is b square minus 4ac minus 2 square minus 4 into a 3 into c is 4 into 3 into c is what? 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. Minus 2 square is what? 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So real roots exist. So real roots exist. When real roots exist, if they are, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 or greater than 0. When is equal to 0, already said that we get two equal real roots. So we get two equal real roots. When we get b square minus 4ac, don't need to use the formula b minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac under root b square minus 4ac by 2. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Then that is minus b by 2a comma minus b by 2a. These are the equal roots. No need to use the formula. When the discriminant value is equal to 0, directly we can use this one to find the equal real roots. Minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. Minus b, minus of b is what? 2 by 2a. 2 into a is what? 3. One more time. Minus of minus b by minus b is minus 2 by 2a. 2 into 3. That is equal to minus into minus plus 2 gets cancelled. Minus into minus plus 1 by 3 comma. Here minus into minus plus 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3. These are the real roots. So now we will move to the exercise number 5.4. Last exercise. Find the nature of the roots of the real roots exist if find them. So now we will go for the first problem here. So in this exercise here 5.4, 3 problems are there. I am taking one problem. Second one I am taking, that is 3x square minus 4 root 3x. 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. In this exercise, in the first bit there are 3 problems. I am doing one problem, remaining 2 problems we can solve it. So now we go for the first one. Same here, same concept. Find the nature of the roots. If real roots exist, find them. Nature of the roots depends upon the discriminant value. First a, b, c value. A is equal to x square coefficient 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3, and c is equal to 4. So we have to find discriminant value b square minus 4ac minus 4 root 3 whole square. B square minus 4ac. 4 into 3 into 4. That is minus 4 square is 16 into square and root cancels 3 minus 4 4 16 16 into 3 48. Here also 16 into 3 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. So here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So real roots exist. So real roots exist. Real roots exist and also b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. No, no. So real roots are, so real and equal roots. Real and equal roots are minus b by 2a comma minus b by 2a. That is equal to minus b by 2a. Minus of minus 4 root 3 by 2 into a 3 comma same again minus of minus b by 2a. B means minus 4 root 3 b minus minus b means minus 4 root 3 by 2a. 2 into a is what? 3. 2 into 3. So minus into minus plus 2 ones 2 twos. 2 ones 2 twos. So what do you get here? 2 root 3 by 3 comma 2 root 3 by 3. 2 root 3 by 3. Or you can simply, if you want to simplify, 3 can be written as root 3 comma root 3. 2 root 3 by root 3 into root by root 3 into root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, root 9 is what? 3. Same here also. So 1 root 3, 1 root 3 gets cancelled. So what do you get here? 2 by root 3 comma 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 comma 2 by root 3. Or you can see stop here also. 2 root 3 by 3, 2 root 3 by 3. Or 3 can 2 root 3 as it is. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Here also 2 root 3 as it is. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. 1 root 3 gets cancelled. 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 are the real and equal roots. Okay, second bit now. 5.4 second bit. Find the values of k for each of the quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. They only given that for the given equation they have two equal real roots. When we will get two equal roots means discriminant value b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So first given equation kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Let us simplify and write in the quadratic equation form. Kx into x, kx square minus kx into 2, 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now here a is equal to k square coefficient, b is equal to x coefficient is minus 2k and c is equal to 6. They given that they have equal roots. Given they have, so the equation, there means 2 will come here. The equation have equal roots. The equation have two equal roots. Two equal roots. So the equation has two equal roots, which implies discriminant value is equal to 0, which implies b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Because they give that two equal roots means that discriminant value is equal to 0. So in this, if we substitute b, a, b, c values, then we can find the value of k. So implies b square, b value is what here? Minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a value is a and the c value is 6 is equal to 0. Why we are equating to 0? Because they only given that they have two equal roots. That's why we have to equate to this discriminant value is equated to 0. b square minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k and c is what? 6. So implies minus 2 square is 4 plus 4. Minus 2 square is plus 4. K square. For both, for minus 2 and k we have to square it for both. Minus 2 square is 4. K square means k square. 4 into 6, 6. 4 into 6, 24. 24k is equal to 0. 24k is equal to 0. So now transform that side, or you can take k as common here. 4k we can take as common. So here one more step I write in both. 4k is common. 4 common and 1k common. So k remains. So here 4 6 24. 4 6 24. K already taken common. K minus 6 is equal to 0. I will repeat here. In 4k square and 24k, 4k is common. 4 common, k common, 1k remains. 4 6 24. So 4 common, 6 remains. K already taken common, only 6 remains. When product of two terms is equal to 0, each one is equal to 0, which implies 4k is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 0, k minus 6 is equal to 0. K minus 6 is equal to 0, which implies k is equal to 4 comes down, 0 by 4. K is equal to minus 6 comes set plus 6, which implies k value is 0 by 4 is 0 and k value is 6. So two possible cases, two possible values for the k, because they ask you to find the values of k. So here for this, when the roots are real and equal, when the roots are equal roots, they given that the roots are equal, then the discriminant value we have to equate it to 0. While for the given equation, we made it in the general form ax square plus bx plus c. After writing abc values, we have to substitute b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, so that we can find the values of k. K is equal to 0, k is equal to 6. Okay, we move to the next problem, exercise 5.4, third problem, word problem. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove? Application problem. We are applying the quadratic formula for the quadratic equation. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove? Mango groove is group of trees, mango trees, whose length is twice its breadth. So length depends upon the breadth. So let breadth is what? X. Then length is what? Twice its breadth. Then let take it as what? 2x. Is it possible for the situation means we have to find the discriminant value. If the discriminant value b square minus 4ac is either greater than or equal to 0 only, we can find the length and breadth for the given situation. Otherwise, if it is less than let breadth is equal to x meters because it is given in meters, which implies according to the given problem length is twice its breadth. So length is equal to 2x meters. Also given area is equal to area of a rectangular mango group. So all the trees are in the rectangle. All the trees are planted in the rectangular shape. Trees are there in this group of trees, mango trees, which are in the rectangular shape, and whose area is equal to 800 meters square. Area of a rectangle is formula length into breadth is equal to 800 meters square. Now substitute. Now length is equal to what? 2x, and breadth is equal to what? X is equal to 800. That implies 2x into x, 2x square, minus 800 on this side, minus 800 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation, though x coefficient is not there. So now a value x square coefficient is equal to 2. B is no x external. There is no external. B is equal to 0, and c is equal to minus 800. C is equal to minus 800. So let us find the 2. Is it possible? Means we have to find discriminant value. B square minus 4ac is equal to b square 0 square minus 4 into a 2 into, so b square into 2 into minus 800. B square 0 square minus 4ac, that is equal to 0 square means 0, minus into minus plus 4 2s 8 8 64. So b square minus 4x is equal to 64. 6400 is equal to 6400 is greater than 0. Therefore, the given situation is possible. Therefore, the given situation is possible. The given situation is what? Possible. Okay, now it is greater than 0. No? Now I take the equation 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0. 2x square is equal to minus 800 on this side plus 800. 2 to cancel here. 2 4 0 0. X square is equal to 400. X is equal to plus or minus 400. So x is equal to 20 plus or minus 20. But we will not consider. Only we consider positive value. X is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. X means what? Breadth is equal to 20 meters. Length is equal to 2x. That is equal to 2 into 20. That is equal to 40 meters. So length is equal to 40 meters and breadth is equal to 20 meters. If you multiply again 20 into 40, what will you get? 800. 2 4 800 meters square. So therefore the dimensions of the rectangular field mango group are length 40 meters,